It's your boy
Dashinq
Dash.
with Q.
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. Let me get that. What's the word? Great morning. It's your boy Dashinq Q, and I'm on my way out. It's 8:30. I'm a little late, but I had to get the videos done and uploaded, so you feel me? We out now, though. Let's go get this money. First order of the day is a Starbucker 675 plus for 2.3 miles. Oh my God. How the fuck you do that? How? It's this early. First drop off. Just seen an accident already. We had a little 10-minute, 15-minute wait, and we got another Starbucks. $7 for 3.4 miles, I think. I'm posting it. Y'all know I'm posting anyway what the order is. I go to the drive-thru and get in the order. All right, there you go, bro. All right, have a good one. Emma? Yeah. All right, have a good one. We got another Starbucker. It took a little minute, but look, we got a 750.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem. 750 for 3.3 miles. All right, we got a 450 for 1 mile. I think it's this restaurant. Okay, yeah. It looks like it's raining. And we know what that means. Shmoney time, baby. Oh, it's coming down. All for Abdi. 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 Alright, we got this drop off for that Panda. 950 plus. Sweet 200. Where's Sweet 200 at? Alright, it's been a slow morning, but it's the lunch hour. So we're gonna see what they offer. $6.50 for 2 miles is Chipotle. I'm in a Diamond District right now. We got another Starbucker. I dropped off the last one, $6 for 2.3 miles. $6 for 2.3 miles. Let me get that. The Hut, $9.19 for 4 miles. Weird number, $9.19, but. Express, $7.50 for 3.3 miles. $7.50 for 3.3 miles. Let's go ahead and grab this and keep pushing. Walking around in this Panda Express, man. Do not, y'all. Stay away from these motherfuckers. They be playing games. Have your ass waiting every time. Yeah. It's been so long, and like 10 minutes, and Panda Express, they sent me another order for Chipotle. It's a $4 add-on to this $7 order, so yeah, I think we'll be done about like 1:30. Yeah, a $4 add-on I got from Chipotle. Let's grab that. Get it dropped off. All right, we got this drop off of that Panda Chipotle. First drop off. Phone dead, so I gotta leave it in the car. You hit the 1 o'clock slowdown, and it's definitely slowed down. So I'm sitting here waiting for a couple more orders so I can be done. But yeah, it slowed down a little bit. So I'm just chilling in front of Jersey Mike's till something come through. I know it'll come through in a few, but I want to be done. Yeah, feel me. All right, man. I got a stacked order. 2 $4 orders. You can tell it's the 1 o'clock slowdown. $4.50 for 1.6 miles, and the other one's exactly damn near the same, 1.4 miles. Boulder Tap House and Panda Express, but I came to Boulder first, so because Panda will be on bullshit. So Panda add on the other $4 order, second half of the stack. Let's go grab that real quick and deliver this shit. 2 orders was handed to me, but they stacked me with a third one, Noodles and Company. They always $4.50. Oh, you know, this one's $4.75 for like 2 miles. I mean, a mile. They all was like a mile and a half, mile two. But yeah, let's grab this third drop off. Cheers to them all. Taco John's, $5 for 1.3 miles. Taco John, right there. $5 for 1.3 miles. We get probably like, all right, we got a B-Dubs, $8 for 3.5 miles. We get one more and we done. One more and we out of here. This is the last pickup. They stacked the order with that B-Dubs, so it's a $5.50 for 1.3 miles. Last order, y'all. It ain't ready. That's the day, you know. Already have it ended how I envisioned it. Just as planned. Yeah, we had some bad orders, but look, we did the do. We made it do what it do, baby. I'm gonna do it again tomorrow and every day after that. So look, stay tuned. It's your boy Dashinq, over and out.